Oh my gosh. There's 2 giant Pikmi Pops. Look at this, it's so cute. Hey guys, it's Aubrey, and today we're at Target to do a toy shop, so let's go. Guys, it's gonna come a squishy, and he's in the egg still. There's all kinds of squishies down here, I think. Oh, there's like a Hello Sanrio, Hello Kitty squishy.
Oh, it's just realizing it looks like.
Yeah, and also there's this amazing squishy. Not squishy. Ooh. I've been really wanting to find one of these. Yeah, I guess it's slow rising. I can't really see. Ooh, yes. Ooh, we're in the Barbie section. Ooh, I got this from Hasbro. I gave it to Jaden, my cousin, for her birthday. Because she loves Elsa, so I thought she'd like that. Ooh, I want her hair. That is so cute.
Ooh.
Except mine is so much pink. Probably like more blue. Like her hair, Wait, yeah.
She's pretty.
Well, like, add some, like, yeah, she is pretty. Look at this.
What is that?
Oh, it does this song.
That is so funny.
Oh, it has, what's his name? Maui's hook on here.
You can store your treasures in there.
That's so cool. I love that song
That
so
is
much.
funny. I got a ton of Moana stuff.
Yeah, Moana was like, I love the piggy. What's his name again? Pua, I think. Sorry if I said it wrong. He's so cute. So we're gonna see if they have LOS. I don't know, but hopefully they do. So let's go. Ooh, Pikmi Pops. I think these are new. These are
What are those water babies?
water baby. Oh, these are. They have no more. They are like just regular babies. These are like
those are
surprise animals.
surprise.
I got one of these. I got this doggy right here. He's super cute. I want the turtle. Turtles are my favorite animals. So wait, we gotta do a detour of this place. Oh my god, I love this moped. This is so cute. What is it?
That's adorable.
This it? Ryan Style scooter?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
$30? Wow, that's not much.
Oh, look at that, Aubrey. It's a boat.
Whoa! It used to be $70, but it went down by $10.
That is so cute.
No, actually, $20. It is super cute. Look at that little car, too.
Oh, this is a baby set. You know how much that is?
It's so cute. There also is like a radio. It doesn't work.
Maybe.
Yes, maybe. There's right here, and there's the glitter series. All that. No. Okay, I'm not sad anymore. Look up. There's a blue cupcake. It has an awesome squishy. Not very squishy. Oh, Pikmi Pops. Oh, there's. Oh my gosh. There's 2 giant Pikmi Pops. Look at this, it's so cute. You could get a unicorn. There's 2, I think, to get. This is Bento. I wonder if they have any more.
These little ones.
Yep, and only those.
No LOLs except for the sisters.
Except for the little sisters. Ooh, Lois. What is this? Maybe some random. Look at this.
There's more Pikmi Pops over here.
Ooh, oh, they don't have the big one. They don't have a unicorn one, man. But look at this. I found this fish, and it's full of Barbies.
Oh, that's cool.
Just listen. Ooh, it has like a little bite. Oh my, that's so cool. Except when you squeeze it, then it's just regular Orbeez. That is so cool, guys. Look at that. Oh, look, there's LOLs. There's no glitter series. There's.
Oh, there's confetti pop right there.
Oh, there's confetti pop. And Big Sisters. Too bad there isn't.
Oh, the animal.
Yeah, I was about to say there's no animal.
You haven't got those yet, have you?
No, I've only got the like. I have. No, I have.
Oh, you have?
Yeah,
Oh.
I've got those.
Wah, wah.
Ooh, look at this. The
Hershey Kiss.
yeah, bunny. Okay, we can do it. There's
Can you
packaging.
try it? Oh no, you can't. Push it and see what it does.
Oh, it's a game. It's the same.
So you know how to do it?
No.
There's a ball on the other end.
There you go.
And you put your feet on it and then you jump. It's like a poke. Yeah, it's like a pogo.
That's weird.
I used to have one of those when I was little.
Look, guys, it's a lip gloss maker and it's Noms.
Oh, that's
Let's
pretty
get it.
cool. You think you should get that one?
Yep. Let's go. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. This video will be out soon, so make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to know when this video comes out. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, see you guys then. Peace out.
I'm recording you.